nanonood lang. Sumasakit yung ulo ko eh.
Bakit?
Akalain mo pwede naman pala mag-putback slam si Junmar Fajardo. 5 minutes into the last quarter niya na ginawa.
So gusto mo gawin niya yun for 48 minutes, sumakit yung kamay nun.
Hindi, gusto ko.
Or masira yung ring.
Oo nga naman, mahirap yun. Pero gusto ko gawin niya, mas maging aggressive siya. Pero unsolicited advice yun galing dito sa For the Win.
Galing sa'yo yun.
Galing sa amin.
Hindi.
Pero-
Ngayon tatanungin ko kayo, ano ba?
Aggressive
Ako,
wala naman sa bola.
To protect the big man Dali
Okay.
Unang-unang, kahit na hindi ko naiintindihan, mahirap siguro maging ganun kalaki.
Alam mo, totoo yan.
Diba?
Wala sa atin makakaintindi nun.
Pagiging malaki at pagiging napakaliit, may pros and cons yan eh. Obviously, pagiging maliit, madali lang sabihin. Pero lahat ng tao kasi yung tingin, pag 7-footer ka o 6'9", 6'10", na parang athletic freak ka na, LeBron James ka or something, hindi. Diba? So, minsan nakakailang rin maglaro na bilis ng kalaban mo or talagang tinutulak sa ilalim. But, I think Junmar just give him time.
22 years old lang yung tao eh.
Exactly.
Oo
So,
nga.
relax lang puputok ang
Si
buchi
sabi
mo.
sa inyo, mag-relax lang kayo kayo.
Diba?
Hindi, I
Coach,
have
coach.
faith. Okay, I have
Coach.
faith in Junmar. Okay, may sinasabi ka kanina, ang problema mo.
I don't see anything wrong with his offensive game. He had
Yeah.
16 points, 13 rebounds or something. The first game he had like 14 rebounds and he missed like 5 free throws. So he would have had 2 double-doubles in 3 games. And that's a bad game and he needs all this advice. But fine, I'll give him some advice.
No, okay, why we're giving him the advice? Kasi ginawa niya yan, yung most of the 16 points, right? In the fourth quarter, kung hindi pa siya ginanon ni Jay Wash sa dibdib. Alam mo yun? So para, okay, so yun na.
But he's still a young player. He's gonna learn a lot. He has to be patient on offense. I really don't see any problem because he's talented. He's strong. They keep giving him the ball. I'm sure good things will happen. But here's the thing: on the defensive end, he's actually their biggest liability right now. If you watch the first game against Rain or Shine, all they did was attack him every time on the ball screen, and that's what teams will do to him every time. So one thing I think he needs to improve on is his quickness, agility, maybe how to come out a bit more and just be faster. How he needs to move faster, even in offense, run to screens a bit. So yun lang naman. I mean, and I'm sure it will come in time.
So papaulitin ko sa'yo yan in Tagalog.
Huwag na lang kasi
Bisaya.
makakalaban pa namin
Bisaya
sila.
dapat.
Bisaya na lang ikaw. What's your
Ako,
advice?
unsolicited advice for Junmar and for the fans, patience. Kailangan ni Junmar ng sobrang daming patience.
Bakit?
This is a guy,
Ano ba siya? Eager beaver ba siya?
this is a guy
Fans are eager, I guess.
who only started to play basketball nung college na siya.
Tapos kalaban niya hanggang dito lang.
Oo, exacto. Pero hindi siya marunong mag-dribble before that point. As in, sinasabi niya yan sa lahat. So, bata pa to 22 years old. If you start parang pressuring him into being a dominant center right now, baka hindi niya kayanin yung pressure from the fans. Siya naman patience kasi, play within the system muna ng Petron. Huwag mo munang pilitin lahat. Ako, okay lang ako sa ginagawa niya. I mean, keep yourself within the system. Sure, konting aggressiveness paminsan-minsan, pero he's doing fine.
One more thing, yun lang naglaro sa Manila yan. Na talagang Manila League.
na Manila based,
PBA pa,
yeah.
the biggest league in the Philippines. Pero if I were coaching Junmar or assistant coach, I'd tell him not to grab this opportunity. Bihira yung rookie na parang isa ka na sa mga centerpiece and you're getting all that playing time.
That's so true.
So, di ba? While other people are telling you na pasensya lang, it will come to time. Totoo yun. But at the same time, konting sense of urgency rin na marami pumapasok na players every year at marami existing players. So, get in the weight room and start working on your explosiveness and core strength. Kasi pag nakuha niya yun, it's very hard to stop.
Gusto ko yan, madami talagang mas willing na gumawa kung ano yung mga hindi mo napupuna, no? Galing. Kasi ako talaga, aggressiveness lang. Kasi grabe, sakit eh.
Welcome, it will come. He's a rookie. It's only 3 games. I'm
Buti
sure
pa
it will
isa
learn.
dun sa Petro talagang
Oo nga, yung
aggressive.
rookie nila eh, no?
Pati sa panligaw. Sa mga nagdi-date. Eastwood, parati kayo nandun.
Wait lang. Ano yung ginagawa ni Junmar nung college na ina-apply pa rin niya? Hindi, na ina-apply pa rin niya hanggang ngayon na dapat tigilan niya na. Meron.
Tigilan na niya?
Oo.
I think may bad habit siya ng pagtanggap niya ng bola, binababaan niya pa to chest level bago siya umangat ulit.
Kaya sa kinukuha niya lang niya sa taas.
Nakapanood na rin ako ng training ng Petron at yun yung paulit-ulit sinasabi ni Coach Raiko sa kanya. Pag tanggap mo ng bola sa taas, huwag mo nang bababa kasi yun na nga yung lamang mo eh. Kaya ka nga 6'10 eh. Diretso na. Huwag nang wala ka manakawan.
It's tough kasi nung college, kalahati lang talaga yung bantay niya
Kahit
sa kanya.
nailagay
He
niya,
just
kahit
shoots over
nailagay
the-
niya.
Wala makakahabol.
It was so easy for him because especially in the league there.
Nakalaro ko si Jude, diba?
Nakalaro mo si
Oo,
Junmar.
binantayan ko siya eh.
How was it? Oh my God, how was it?
Hindi, he played really well. I think he had mga
Rabat
25
sinaban
and
yun, diba?
20. We'll just not go into the details. Pero mahabang kwento yun eh. Pero he had double talaga. Pero the other thing is, sa Cebu kami naglalaro doon. So medyo
Home
magano mo lang si Junmar pa.
Home guard. Okay, fine, patience. We need patience, Petroniverse.